What's up guys, this is Royal Crown and a very warm welcome to my channel. Today I am going to give you the complete detailed breakdown of Among Us new map. Most of you might have already knew this because on 19 November 2020 Among Us developers had officially published this on their Twitter account. This which gives the complete neat detailed information of the new upcoming map in the coming December, I guess. When you look at this picture, you find two things. One is the map itself, and the other is the new skins. Look at this guy. I think these both are crewmates or something, and which has complete cool skins with red colored mustache and hat. Back in days, Henry Stickman had the game mode called Infiltrating the Airship, and this map is complete airship and looks very similar to the interior design of the picture posted on Twitter by the developers. Now let's just take a look at this Stickman series. In this scene you can see that this is the deck of the ship. Now just compare this with the new map. You can clearly see that they are exactly the same. There is a clear correlation in between these pictures. This can be a communication or weapons room or somewhat. Now in the next scene in the hallway, here is the Stickman character which is going into the conference room. Now this can be the cafeteria where you will find the emergency button on the table. Who knows? Now the next scene reveals a lot about the interior of the map. This can be a place where the crewmates gets ejected or something when they get voted off. Now give a closer look at the walls. Now that is very similar to what we see outside of storage or electrical in another rooms in the other maps. Now that is clear there that there will be a new room called as vault and cells in the new map. On the other side it says records. It is confirmed because we have a complete footage of the records room where you can see it looks very similar to library. There may be a ton of new tasks in this room for the crew. These may include color sorting of the books or shelves, cleaning the racks and finding right objects and tools. Let me know what you think about this in the comments guys. Now in this clip you can find there is a fourth new room or maybe just a hallway. Now this is the main hallway which looks really insane. It is big and circular. There can be a lot of tasks in here. Imposters can get tons of kills. There is a diamond in the middle which may clearly signify that this room is full of treasures or a museum because there are many monuments. You can see the pictures behind the wall. Look at the gold at the left guys. OMG. Here in the another room which looks like a storage. It even looks like there are vents in here. It is quite large and there are some boxes and elevations and to climb up. Looks good for the imposters I think. Here is the reactor. It is a bit narrower and has some hiding spots, vents and a lot of tasks in here. And the final is the hallway which joins all the rooms together. There are also a bunch of doors in the in between each and every midsection. I think there are around 5 to 6 doors. It can be used by the imposters for kills I guess. Now the final thing is the sabotage guys, because this is a airship. There can be new sabotages like turning off the engine. Means not like the traditional ones like reactor or lights. It can be like turning off the engine of the airship or something like that. Let me know what you think about this new map in the comments guys. That is it guys, complete analysis and the breakdown of this map. It may be out and before or after this Christmas. Let me know what you think about this map in the comments, and also don't forget to subscribe like and share with your friends. I will see you guys in the next one.